If you've ever built a TikTok-style vertical video feed in React Native, you already know the goal. You want instant playback, no spinner, smooth scrolling, and scrolling back shouldn't cause you to re-download everything. But to pull that off, you're going to be juggling a few things at once. You've got preloading, memory management, cost optimization, and making sure only the visible video plays. To show this off, we built a demo app. It's called Slop Social. It's a React Native app where you doom scroll through AI-generated slop videos, like paint tipping over, mud spilling everywhere, plates hitting the floor. It's pretty ridiculous, but it's actually the perfect test case for an infinite scroll. You see, with all these new models focusing on video generation, we're going to see an uptick in UGC video apps where people are going to be generating content. And in order to handle the magnitude of videos that are going to be uploaded, you need to have a good foundation of being able to preload and manage the memory of your content. The core idea is 3 systems working together. Number 1, a virtualized list that recycles items efficiently. 2, a preloading strategy that predicts where you're scrolling. And 3, playback controls that guarantee only one video plays at a time. So let's tackle number 1, the list. Instead of flat lists, which comes with React Native, the demo uses Shopify's Flashlist. Flatlist creates and destroys components as you scroll. Flashlist, on the other hand, reuses them, which means fewer allocations, less garbage collection pressure, and smoother scrolling, especially for lower-end devices that you might not have gotten rid of. So if you look here, I have my Flashlist, and in the demo, it's configured for full screen paging with snap behavior. And it uses get item type video to keep one recycling pool plus layout overrides, so every video or item is exactly the screen height with no layout thrash. Next, let's get to the preloading, but not the load everything just in case kind. Slop Social preloads based on scroll direction. So in our case, we set here a const for the max preload distance. 5 videos ahead in the direction you're going and 1 behind in case you swipe back. And here, the key trick, videos outside that window get their source set to null. That free memory, while still keeping the component mounted for fast recycling, inside each item, it uses use video player with conditional source loading. When something should preload, it gets a URL and otherwise it gets null. Third, we have our playback control. Only the active video should play. Everything else should be paused and muted for better UX. And it prevents off-screen downloads and ballooning your cost. Preloading videos stay paused, but they still have a source set. So HLS can prefetch manifests and segments, then when you swipe, it feels instant. It's kind of like how TikTok feels. And that cost piece really matters. So you might be thinking, maybe my app can perform better if I preload more videos. Not really the case, because where you might preload 10 videos in both directions, you could come across an instance where you can keep playing videos off screen and re-downloading and back to scrolling. It's not a great experience. So this approach keeps it fast without blowing up the memory or delivery spend. This is what we're calling directional preloading. We directionally preload null sources outside the window, pause aggressively, and rely on cache when you scroll back to the video that you liked before. If you're building a Reels or short style feed, grab the Slop Social app, fork it, break it, make a mess, and if you want more, check out our blog and our documentation for more.